Welcome to this issue of CCC Trends. As we head into the fourth quarter of 2021, there continue to be a number of significant factors impacting our industry and the frequency and cost of auto accidents and claims. First, we continue to see distinctly different driving and traffic patterns, and two, we continue to see significant supply chain disruptions. Each of these is either a direct byproduct of the pandemic or has resulted in significant market shifts. In this month's issue of CCC Trends, we'll explore each of these in detail. Through September of this year, overall claim counts are up about 8.8%. Excluding comprehensive losses, they're up 9%. Worth noting, though, in particular, is that liability losses have lagged behind collision losses throughout the pandemic in 2020 and in 2021, a trend we discuss as being indicative of the changing traffic patterns that have emerged since March of 2020. Losses also continue to be more severe in nature than what we saw pre-pandemic. Even before the pandemic, vehicle repair and total loss costs had been steadily increasing as vehicle complexity continued to grow. But now the rate of increase in both repair costs and total loss costs is faster and is predominantly being driven by global supply chain disruptions and other challenges such as higher raw material prices, higher transportation costs from higher wages and fuel prices, record spot container shipping rates, more money and time to unload goods at shipping ports, and shortage of employees on site. As we head into the fourth quarter, it's pretty clear that these challenges are unlike anything that we've ever seen. Businesses are learning to adapt, just as they did at the outset of COVID-19, and resilience and innovation remain essential. Moving forward, businesses will need to further evaluate key issues like supply chain sourcing, hybrid work, and how to best take advantage of rapidly evolving technologies like digital, AI, mobile, and cloud to improve collaboration and drive efficiencies back into the process. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.